lots of fun stuff coming up. It's one of those times where I'm actually going to be off work traveling more than I'll be working for a couple months. Welcome back, adventure seekers. A couple bits of information I would like to share. First off, we have almost reached the 1,000 subscriber mark. Thank you so much, everybody, for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, check it out. It's pretty cool because when I get 1,000 subscribers, I become a millionaire and I quit my job and I spend more time making YouTube videos for all you people. I wish. Secondly, and most important, at the time this video is being released, I am on my way to South Dakota to explore the Badlands and the Black Hills and check out the new BDRX route. So I've got 11 days for this trip. 4 or 5 are going to be traveling to and from. So that'll leave me a good 7 days of exploring out there. I'm going to take my time on the BDRX route. And I don't know yet what is the BDRX route. It's not released yet. It is being released tonight. For me in my world time right now. For you, this video is coming out a week later. Once I see that, I'll be able to tell how many more days, because I want to get into Wyoming and check out Devil's Tower. I want to ride the Needles Highway. I want to see Mount Rushmore, all those touristy things. Overall, I'm super excited. I've been wanting to check out the Black Hills for a very long time. I was planning to take a long weekend at the end of July, and then I just started looking and I was like, it's going to take so long to get where I want to go. I'm going to be super rushed and not have any time to do anything. So I decided to go ahead and make a week out of it with 2 weekends bookended, and then I was like, I'm going to go ahead and take an extra Friday. So it gave me a little bit of extra time. I'm really looking forward to the trip now because there's going to be a day or two where I can actually just totally relax and not worry about stuff. You're probably not going to see a video for almost 2 weeks after this one. Bear with me, and when I get back, I'll have 10 episodes to share more than likely. And then after that, 3 weeks later, we will be taking a big trip, me and my wife, 2 birds on a bike, down into the Smoky Mountains, all around Tennessee, Georgia, North Carolina, over to the Outer Banks, and then we're going to have like another 10 to 12 days after that, and we're not really sure what we're going to do. That'll be an interesting trip where we just kind of play it by ear. So I really appreciate everybody's support. You guys are just wonderful to me. All positive comments. I've yet to receive really anything even remotely negative. I don't know, it feels pretty good. Maybe I need to hear some negative stuff to improve, but for the meantime, I'll take the positive comments. And I do have some swag coming. So when we hit this 1,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to try to take advantage of the opportunities that YouTube gives me to try to get a little cash flow going. So when I retire and hit the road full time, I'll be able to pay for my gas. Every little bit will count. And I appreciate you guys so much, all your support watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed and you like this content and you keep coming back, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It truly does help me. At YouTube, you can't even start to monetize until you get 1,000 subscribers. I'm not the self-promotion type, but it is pretty cool now that, after all this hard work, I'm like 30 videos in. I'd make the videos if you weren't watching anyway, because I enjoy it. But, when other people watch it and enjoy the content, that just makes it that much better. I'm going to try to be in the moment and pay attention to everything I can, and I hope you guys come back and join me. So until we meet again, I hope you get out there and enjoy your own local route adventures. Get out there and do what you can before you can't.